Did you know you can create viral action model kids toy box videos with the free version of ChatGPT in just 3 steps? Plus, they're trending on Instagram and TikTok. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it, so watch till the end. Let's dive in.
I have 3 different types of model prompts. I am going to demonstrate with all these 3. First, where you are having all the images, then you will have to go for model prompt number 3. Please claim this document by typing prompt in the comment box. I will copy this and I will head back to ChatGPT. If you are serious about creating viral AI reels and want a complete one-shot solution, then don't miss my viral AI reel mastery course. You will learn the exact step-by-step process to generate high-performing AI reels, plus access to proven model prompts that can skyrocket your views on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Limited time pre-launch offer we are providing now. For a short time, you can grab this course at a fraction of the cost, less than a dinner out. But once this offer is gone, it's gone for good. Don't wait. Click the link in the description right now. You will have to take all the images. So go to this plus button, upload from computer. Now select the images. Open them. Here give your prompt. As I told you, you should go for the model prompt 3 for this. Paste your prompt. Here just change Virat Kohli Royal Challenger to in your name. And remaining other things will remain same, and hit generate. As you can see, my image is ready. Beautiful image they have made with the detail whatever I have provided. So just go ahead and download it. Like this, you can create other images as well. So now, after this, animate these photos. So for that, I will take the help of Kling AI. Just upload this image in the video section. Make sure your frames, this option is selected. Just go ahead and upload your image. Now, I again have some prompts ready here. I will give this prompt here and other things will remain same. You may go for 5 second or 10 second duration. I'll go for 5 second. Here professional mode can be on or the standard, and then hit generate. It will take some time if you are using free account. As you can see, my videos are ready. So simply go ahead and download the videos, and then finally you can edit it in any video editor, and this is the final result. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.